So in 2.2, let's go ahead and leave the 840 in the volume control mode, keep our compliance at 50 and our resistance at 5. So we are going to this time change our flow to 2 seconds. We want to see what else is going to change. The peak pressure, the plateau pressure, our IDE ratio, our tidal volume. What's going to change? Let's see where we're at. We have a peak pressure of 11. If we do an inspiratory pause, we can see our plateau is 10. Our IDE ratio right now is 1:4. And we know that because we have it set based on our flow. And our tidal volume we know is not going to change because that's a set parameter at 500 mils. So if we change our flow, going to 2 seconds, decrease our flow to a flow of 15, we should expect to see a change in our IDE ratio because our expiratory time is now shorter to allow for that longer inspiratory time. So we would expect that, but what about our peak pressures and our plateaus? Well, let's see. So it looks like our peak pressure changed by about 1. We were 11, now we're 10. What about that plateau pressure? Negligible change of 9.9 to 9.6. So just a slight change in our pressures. That could just be due to distension from the lungs. But the big thing to notice is that IDE ratio change. We went from 1:4 to 1 to 1.5. So that's a big change in how your patient's going to be breathing.